Alright, boys and girls, today we are going to use the soil texture triangle. Now, there are three parts to soil. You have clay, you have silt, and you have sand. Sand is the largest, okay? So if you can picture it like this, if you have a lot of clay particles, they're all really small, okay? So you don't have a lot of air pockets. Clay soil is going to become waterlogged. It's going to hold too much water, okay? Silt is a little bit larger, so the air pockets between the mineral is a little bit larger, so you have more porosity and more permeability, so water can move through the soil. Now sand is the largest. Sand is large. So if you put a lot of large sand particles side by side, you have these really large air pockets. So that's why sand does not hold on to soil. The ideal soil, the best soil for growing things, is going to be loam. Okay? This is the best combination of all three of these. Now, no matter what, we're always going to equal 100%. So if you are given the numbers, let's say you're given 70, 10, and 20. 70% clay, 10% silt, 20% sand. So we just simply draw the lines and we're in the clay box. So anything in this box that is going to be clay. So let's do another one. All right. Let's say that we are 30, 30, and 60. Okay, so 30, 30, that puts us, oh, wait. See, that does not work. 30, 30, 60, that does not equal 100. So let's say 30, 30, 40. Okay, so 30, 30, 40. Okay, we are in the clay loam box. All right, let's do a third one. All right, let's take this 60 again. So 60. Let's take 60, 20, 20. So 60, so we have 20, 20, 60. Now, notice we're on the line. So, both answers to me would be fair because you're either on the edge of sandy clay loam or sandy loam. All right, let's work backwards. Let's say you want a soil type that is silt loam. All right, so silt loam, for example, maybe it's 10% clay, right? It's 60% silt, so that's 70, so 30, okay? So 10, 60, 30, that would be silt loam, right? So you always use clay side first, and then silt, and then sand, and you can know what the type of soil texture is.